Hi, I'm Robert. I'd like to show you this very nice BMW 118 1.5 Sport. Having covered 20,000 miles with full service history, you can see it's in a very rare colour, very attractive and appealing. It's got the nice alloy wheels. The bodywork is very clean. In the door mirrors there's the indicator built in as well for extra vision. It's got the tail fin aerial. In the rear itself, a nice cavernous space with 40/60 split rear seat. As you can see, it's got the grey velour upholstery, electric rear windows. When we get to the front, you can see full electric windows, electric mirrors, height adjustable seat, all the controls for the audio, the radio, telephone, etc. on the steering column. Nice clear display. The car comes with the pop-up nice large display on the dash. It's got Bluetooth telephone connection, it's got satellite navigation, it's got the audio CD system, it's also got the mode of the Sport and Eco button, comes with the 6-speed gearbox. There's the control knob for everything, centre armrest with storage, and it's also got the nice orange trim on the dash to complement the colour of the body. So don't hesitate, give me a call, let's take you out for a test drive, let me value your car, and most importantly, we'll give you the best deal money can buy. So don't forget, I'm Robert, give me a call.